we get more breaking updates now coming in, because remember in Beirut as well, Israeli troops had moved in. So we have updates now coming in of Israel breathing fire on Hezbollah. So Lebanon's southern city being affected after Israel's attacks. It has been reduced to rubble. These are the visuals coming in. Hezbollah stronghold being reduced to rubble completely. Suburbs of Beirut have been hit by the Israeli strikes. These are the visuals that you're seeing on the screens. Very dramatic visuals. And Israel says that these are strongholds of Hezbollah, which is why they have struck. They have said that these were terror bases that were operating from these regions, which is why they have been impacted. So multiple buildings being reduced to rubble now as Israeli forces move in. So there is, apart from the aerial attacks that are taking place, there is also ground action taking place with the Israeli troops moving in. So it is a multi-pronged attack that has been launched by Israel with support from the United States, and the Hezbollah stronghold in the suburbs of Beirut also being hit by the Israeli strikes. As you can see, buildings being reduced to rubble in multiple places. This is a huge amount of damage that has been seen. Dismantling the Hezbollah stronghold. So Rishabh continues to stay live with us. And Rishabh, as far as Hezbollah is concerned as well, one of the strongest non-state actors coming in support of Iran has also been hit. And as Israel has clearly indicated, this is a planned attack. While on one hand, aerial strikes were taking place, Israeli troops also moved in Beirut. Is this a clear indication that on ground as well, we are going to see a complete decimation of Hezbollah, as Israel has called it?
Well, Pratibha, if we talk about Hezbollah, Hezbollah has been in constant conflict with Israel, and now that Israel think that US is coming, along with them in this war, they want to ensure that all the proxies of Iran, which they feel is threat to the state of Israel, should be dealt with iron hand. And that's the reason that we are seeing these attacks now taking place in Lebanon. Also in Beirut, what we're given to understand, that Lebanon's Nebiat has been reduced to rubble, and it is a stronghold of Hezbollah. Nasrallah was also killed earlier last year when Israelis struck Beirut back then. But now that Israel believe that US is standing by them, and actually not only morally standing by them, but actually in the combat as well, this is the right time to take revenge from any who is a threat to the state of Israel, who is perceived to be threat to the state of Israel, for that matter.
Okay, so clear.